In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create level of effort or Hammock activities in Microsoft Project. Level of effort, often called a Hammock activity, is perfect for ongoing work that spans a defined period, like project management, administration, or oversight. Instead of a fixed duration, it stretches automatically between two milestones. Here's how to set it up cleanly so it updates itself as your schedule evolves. First, create the milestones that will define the span. Add a start milestone at the very beginning of the period you want to cover. Set its duration to 0, so it's a true milestone and doesn't add any unnecessary time. Then add an end milestone at the end of the period, or the main phase your Hammock should cover. These two milestones act like anchors. The Hammock task will stretch between them. Next, add the Hammock task itself. You might call it project management or something similar. Give it a short placeholder duration for now. Don't worry about getting it perfect. This duration will be overridden as soon as we link it to the milestones. Now link the Hammock's start to the start milestone. Select the start milestone and copy its start date. Then click into the start field of the Hammock task. Instead of doing a normal paste, use Paste Special and choose Paste Link. This creates a live dynamic connection, so the Hammock's start will always match the start milestone's date. Do the same for the finish. Copy the finish date of the end milestone. Click into the Finish field of the Hammock task, use Paste Special, and choose Paste Link again. With both ends linked, the Hammock task will automatically expand or contract to match any changes to those milestones. If the phase shifts earlier or later, your level of effort task will follow without extra editing. A few tips as you work. Milestones should have 0 duration, so they don't distort the timeline. Use Paste Link specifically. A regular paste won't keep things synchronized. After linking, let the dates drive the Hammock. Avoid manually changing its start or finish. If you adjust the timing of the phase, move the milestones, not the Hammock. And give the Hammock a clear name so your team immediately understands what continuous effort it represents. That's it. With the start and end milestones in place and the Hammock task linked via Paste Link on both ends, you've created a reliable level of effort activity that stays accurate as your plan changes.